Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an FxPro account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for FxPro. Then I'm going to click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. Next we're going to click on the register button on the top right corner. So next we're going to enter our email, then a password. We also should choose our country of residence since some areas are not eligible. So depending on the criteria, you're going to create a password and click on register with FxPro. So they're going to suggest to log in again. So you're going to insert your email and your password you just created now. Then a two-step authentication will be verified. They're going to send you a code. So once you're done, you're going to insert your personal details, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, as well as your phone number. Again, your nationality is going to be asked. If you have more than one, you can insert that nationality you have. So once you're done with this, the next thing would be your residential address, your street number, your zip code, as well as your city or town. So once you're done with that, you're going to be filling out your employment information, your status, where you're working. So once you insert all that, you're going to click on Save and Continue. So next will be your financial information, your income, your source of wealth, and everything about it. So once you're done, they're going to be asking you about your trading knowledge. So your answers should determine whether they're going to open an account for you. So make sure your answers are straight and to the point, as well as they're valid. Because if they're not satisfied enough, they won't be opening an account for you. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Save and Continue. Then again, your wallet settings, the currency you want. So once you're done, you're going to click on Save and Continue. So next, you'll be verifying your identity. You could do it later, but this is how you open the FxPro account. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.